Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another Dollar Tree haul. I haven't been in forever, and I just went down a couple of aisles, but the couple of aisles I went down were amazing. You've got to see this. It is a little charcuterie board, so it's that big, and it's so cute. It's got like some great words on there. This would be perfect for individuals, like if you were having a charcuterie tray, each person could have their own little charcuterie. So I thought that was totally cool. Let's see what else I was able to find. Oh, this. I haven't seen these guys yet. They were the rectangle pegboards, and I hadn't seen them. I've been looking for the pegboards ever since they came out. You guys know that's been forever. And so since I got that, I picked up 2 of them. So I got those. And then I'm now searching instead of picking out what I need. So then I got these 2 adhesive rinks, which is really cool because they're adhesives and these stick to them. So got 2 of those. And then what else did I grab? Oh, I got these little pens here for some fun pen making. I grabbed these guys. They are garden stakes, but I'm going to be doing a DIY for them for 4th of July. Here's a second one. Love it. Can't wait to use those. What else did I find? Oh, the pegboard hooks. I don't think I got a whole bunch of those. I got a USB car charger. Where's the actual charger? There's the bottom. There's the top. And it must be in here. Oh, here it is. It's just one of those little car chargers. For some reason, the one that I have, if you hook anything up to it, it goes straight into the car stereo. So I didn't want that to happen, so I grabbed a couple of those. It's getting into the heat of summer here in Phoenix, and so I grabbed some little sunglasses, and these are super cute. They've got like the Ray-Ban style, and they've got little flags, and they're both different, and I bought one for each of my grandsons, so when they are in the back seat of the car, they are not getting blinded by the sun. Speaking of grandsons, I also picked up these little fun, they're little slurpers sours. One's green apple, one's strawberry, and you just pop the top and you eat the little goop that's inside. So kids love that stuff. So I picked one up for each of them. And then my final thing that I got was a little thing of matte decoupage Mod Podge. So small but fun little Dollar Tree haul. I can't wait. I'm going to start organizing as soon as I stop this video. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for visiting and have a great day. Bye.